Hey guys, so this is the Zebozap's outdoor swiveling TV mount, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to unmount the TV from the pillar. Alright, as you know, all the tools are given, so the first tool that we're going to use is this Allen key, alright, Allen key, and we just remove the screws, the hex bolts behind here. So as you can see here, these are the hex bolts that you need to remove, so I'm going to remove both these hex bolts with this hex key, which is also given with this TV mount. So after you have removed the hex nuts, how do you remove this TV? Let me just show you. Pull up. That's it. Just pull out the TV and you're left with the TV mount here and also the TV here, alright? So we are at the next step, and we're going to remove this part from the main pillar plate. Alright, Zebozap actually make sure that you could do this DIY project without using any tools, because they even provide you with this cute little wrench, alright? So you use this to actually unfasten these bolts, alright? So it's that easy, guys. It's that easy. So there are a total of 3 bolts here, and washers, bolts, everything is given, everything is given. So yeah, collect all the washers and you're done. So we have come to the final part of unmounting this TV, and now I'm going to show you how to remove this ratchet, okay? This ratchet. So you gotta use 2 fingers, okay? You see this pin right here, just pull this pin and pull the ratchets. I'm going to do this to the bottom one first so that the TV mount does not fall off from the pillar. Alright, just pull this pin and pull out the straps, and you're left with the final strap here, okay? There's this pin, see this pin, just pull this pin, hold the pillar unit, and there you go, you're done.